This brings me to a very interesting question. Then, does AI in talent works, or it will take time from organizations, or how organizations are like adopting to it?
That's a interesting one, right? And that's a big question today. This answer that I can give you is not because I'm associated or anything with AI in a large way, but AI works beautifully in talent. Be very clear about it. It also requires a lot of, I would say, intelligence planning together. And less so when companies try to use AI to replace human judgment. It's the last thing that AI is designed to do. Don't want to work with a company that is using AI, or if a company uses AI, to be very clear, replace humans. That is not the best way to do it. The easiest way, that's the simplest way for the leadership to look at it. But when you actually start using AI to expand your horizon, it works a little better. So today, if you ask me, AI is already providing value in 2 or 3 small zones that we see across the spectrum, just necessarily IT or ITES or any of those, right? You look at assessments. Data assessments have been done in a very different manner. Today, AI is providing value with structure. Most important, reduce human intervention, so reduce bias that's there. And criticals, it's scalable, tremendously scalable. So what we spoke a little while back in terms of skill matching. Do you match a skill? He has the time to go ahead and go through it. Today, it's done with a role fit, a project fit, or a hiring fit. It can be done automated through AI in a matter of seconds, right? People want a growth path. Who do I go in an organization? So organizations don't have an answer, or the answer is what we spoke about, push them into some learning culture, right? So that is not really the best way to go about it. So DPs which are created, which are personalized learning maps, which are driven by real gaps, not just notional ones. So these are places where AI is already providing a lot of value. And then, of course, we're moving on to succession planning and various things. So, but AI introduces, when you use AI in talent, it introduces something which is very important for you. It introduces a new responsibility around bias, governance, because have to understand that talent decisions typically are high stakes. Change careers, impact individuals, they change salaries, they impact reputation. So on a personal front, there's a lot for people to look at from a talent perspective. That is why AI is going to be even more so successful in talent, because it's going to be able to explain why the model recommended X, why somebody else has been nominated for a particular position compared to the other one. And that's how you build trust in an organization, right? That's how AI and talent is working. And it's not about, like I said, replacing humans. It's about replacing the guesswork and the human bias that exists in the system more effectively.